Welcome back. This is Michael with Crawlspace. Today we're working on a job in Clarkston, Michigan. The crawlspace is 20 inches deep and roughly 250 square feet. On this job, we added a French drain system for the sole purpose of radon mitigation. The walls also needed a fair amount of work to be able to encapsulate the crawlspace properly. The foundation is concrete with fieldstone. We had to chisel off the rough areas, seal off an old crawlspace window, and add blocks to close off the old access. We also slicked the walls with rapid set mortar to allow for a good seal when we apply our radon shield. Because of this type of foundation, we could not add a rigid foam board on the walls. We had to add a radiant wall barrier blanket that was insulated, and we created a dead space to achieve a better R value for the walls. We finished the crawl space with a 90mm zero perm and sealed everything around the pipes. The furnace was in need of cleaning. We offer a healthy furnace cleaning, which includes cleaning the secondary heat exchange coil, cleaning the blower motor, and cleaning the AC coils. It's all about changing the overall environment of your home. Your home is only as healthy as the dirtiest part. Don't just trust your job to anybody. Here at Crawlspace, we are built on honesty and run on integrity. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.